In this guide, we're going to take a look at the Howl from Beyond, which is one of Ironclad's most interesting uncommon attack cards. Here in Slay the Spire 2, we're going over how you can get and use it. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, obviously, this is an Ironclad card, and it costs 3 energy, deals 16 damage to all enemies, and exhaust when you do play it. The real power, though, comes from its special effect. After you play the card once, it automatically activates again at the start of every turn from your exhaust pile, essentially meaning that it becomes a reoccurring attack and keeps hitting enemies without costing any energy or taking up space in your hand. Because of this, playing it early in longer fights can generate huge value over time, and each turn it continues triggering, it's going to do more and more damage, helping you wear down elites and bosses. The card works especially well as an Ironclad exhaust build, since cards and relics that interact with exhausting, like, I don't know, effects that trigger when cards leave your deck, can create some pretty powerful synergies while thinning weaker cards. It also creates and scales very well with strength boost, since, every reoccurring hit becomes stronger as your strength increases. And if you could find this in Act 1 or Act 2, specifically in these shops, it could be a very strong pickup for Ironclad runs that focus on long fights and scaling damage. But that is it. That is how Howl from Beyond works here in Slay the Spire 2. If this guide did help you out and clear things up, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.